Hey, excuse me, wait now.
Huh? Bro, I don't want any trouble.
Look, I am not here to fight you, okay?
You say? Fight? Bros, forget this gadging. I will run into you in 3 seconds now. Come on, everything beat you up. They worry, you're not here to fight. The last person I beat up, see they coma. I cannot they carry vessel.
Like I said, I'm not here to fight you. I'm here to see Sandra.
Sandra?
Yes.
Why? Don't you have another girlfriend?
That is a private discussion.
Excuse me. There's nothing private between you and Sandra. She's my girlfriend, right? So whatever you discuss, I will still know.
You are dating Sandra?
Yes. Don't I look like somebody she can date? Or you're looking down on me?
Right. Sorry. Right. Right. That must be a joke.